Hello, my name is Hijaz. Welcome to my first guitar tutorial. Few people requested me to make a video tutorial on how to play my original composition called Syria. I composed this song after my hitchhiking trip around Middle East, and I was truly amazed about the beauty of Syria and its amazing culture and all the great people I met there. Guitar tuning that I use in this song is open C sharp, which is C sharp, G sharp, C sharp, F, G sharp, C sharp. Sometimes I play it in open D tuning as well, which is basically the same tuning, just half step higher. I use Hijaz scale in this song, which basically is fifth mode of harmonic minor, also known as Phrygian dominant scale. It's pretty easy to play it in this tuning. On the first string, first fret, fourth fret, fifth, seventh, 8, 10, and 12. You can also play it using octaves, which basically means that you have to play on the same time first string and also fourth string. So you can also do the same thing on second and fifth string. And also on sixth and fourth string. As introduction, I play a little improvisation. To be honest, I play it every time a little bit different, but it goes something like this. This is the first lick. I will repeat it slowly. Another time. Second lick is slowly. And then on the first fret. The next lick is pretty similar. Slowly. The next part is verse, and the melody goes like this. Slowly. then on 12th fret. Right hand goes like this. When we combine, it goes like this. And the same thing another time. The next part, left hand plays melody. A little slower. Right hand plays bass line. So first octave, then we hit, and then slap. And when we combine, it goes like this. Then we repeat verse and we repeat chorus, and the next part we play this melody again. And we combine it with this bass line. Slowly it sounds like this. The next part is culmination. Slowly. Then we start similar. Another time. Those are triplets. The next part is slowly. And again. Another time. Well, sometimes I do some variations in melody, but usually I play it like this. For next part, so slowly. With the right hand, and then and again. And then we finish with and then the ending part after the final verse is the bass line goes like this. And melody is the same. So that's about it. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask in comments below. And also, if you would like me to teach you how to play another song of mine, let me know in comments too. Thank you. Bye bye.